Let me show you how we can try to fix issues with Wi-Fi not connecting properly on Realme GT 8 Pro. The first thing that you should actually do is to check if you have access to the Wi-Fi on other devices. So if you have anything else, like for example a computer, maybe TV or something that uses the same Wi-Fi network, you want to verify if it works on other devices, because if it doesn't work, then of course it means that there is actually an issue with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with the phone. On the other hand, if you have issues with the Wi-Fi just on your phone, then we can start by going to settings. Make sure that the airplane mode is not enabled, because sometimes of course it can be enabled by accident and we might not even notice. So make sure that it is off. Besides that, if we go to Wi-Fi, you can simply turn off and turn Wi-Fi back on. This simple step sometimes can be quite helpful and it may solve some issues. Besides that, if you get, for example, disconnected from your Wi-Fi from time to time, you can tap on the network that you are connected to and make sure that auto connect is enabled. Also, we can go to Wi-Fi assistant settings, and over here we have auto connect to the best Wi-Fi, which can also cause some issues in rare situations, so you might want to turn it off. We also have some dual network features like the dual channel network acceleration and the dual Wi-Fi acceleration, and of course these tools and features are great, but in some cases this can also cause some issues. So what you can do is try to turn them off, at least temporarily, in order to see if that solves your issue. Now, another thing that is of course worth doing is simply disconnecting or forgetting the network from your phone and then connect to it again. In case you don't have your saved network in here on this list, then you can tap on these three dots and go to more settings. And then we have saved networks, and of course you can choose the network that you were connected to and then forget it. And of course you can just try to pair. You can try to connect to the Wi-Fi network again. And in case you just need to update the password because it is incorrect, then most of the time you can just simply tap on the network, and if the password is incorrect, you will be asked to enter the password again. If not, then just go to the details again, disconnect from the network if for some reason you are connected or something. And generally speaking, if you are disconnected, then you should be able, sorry about that, this is where I wanted to go. If you are disconnected, you have the option to change the password in here. So if for some reason you cannot find the network, then of course you can go to Save Networks and change it over there. Now, last but not least, what you can also do, maybe not last actually, but last in these Wi-Fi settings, is you can try to use the Wi-Fi QR code scanner. So if you happen to have the Wi-Fi QR code, you can use the QR code scanner, scan the QR code and connect to your network without having to look for it and without having to enter the password. Remember that also you can refresh the list of available networks after a couple of seconds. So if you cannot find your network on this list, just refresh the list and hopefully then you will be able to find it. Now we're gonna also go back, and what we're gonna do is we can reset all of the network settings. So in the settings, scroll all the way down and choose System and Update. Then we're gonna go to Backup and Reset. Then go to Reset Phone, and in here we have Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. Unfortunately, these three things, so Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network, are pretty much included in this reset, and you cannot separate it. So if you tap on Reset, you will have to not only reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, but also to your Bluetooth devices, for example, because they will be erased as well. But once you do that, of course, you want to go back to Wi-Fi settings, and you want to try to connect to your Wi-Fi network again, and hopefully this time it will work. Also remember about restarting your phone, so a simple reboot of the phone can also be quite helpful in certain situations, so remember to do that as well. And hopefully, after watching this video and after following these steps, your Wi-Fi is now working correctly on your Realme GT 8 Pro. Subscribe to my channel.